Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2015 Toyota Camry XSE. This specific one is the 2.4 liter inline 4 model. However, a V6 was available back in 2015. Now, everybody knows the XSE V6 for being one of the most powerful Camrys ever produced with 301 horsepower. But even so, this thing is absolutely awesome. The spec is really good on this one, with the blue on black with red accent stitching inside the interior. Really cool. Let's take a look at the trunk space. Can you open it from the outside? Oh, see, that's what I get for not checking things before I start filming. You can see huge amount of space, and you just pull these levers and it drops the seats down. Pretty cool. It basically releases the latches that hold the seats in place, and then you can drop them forward as such. Like I said, really nice interior. Here's that red contrast stitching. Nice Camry kick plates. So this was pretty much the highest end that you could get back in 2015. Nice adjustable armrest. Do have heated seats. Use the dial to scale everything to your desire. Nice sunroof as well. So without further ado, let's take this thing for a ride. I'll start in normal drive, and then once I get to the back roads, I will put it into sport mode and use these paddles behind the wheel. Overall, this thing's a lot of fun to drive. Very nice car. It's the first time driving a Camry of this generation. I've only ever driven the XSE that came out in 2018. But yeah, I like these things. These are really nice. It also helps this isn't a base model Camry that you'll find in every single Enterprise lot. It's a really nice car. The seats are extremely comfortable too. I could definitely do a long haul in this car. Very good acceleration, a lot more than I was expecting. If you needed more, you could have gone with the V6, but with the inline 4, it hauls pretty good. Not a lot of road noise at all. Really nice car. And at the end of the day, it's a Camry. It's gonna run forever. Sorry. But yeah, at the end of the day, Camrys have known to be bulletproof, and this one's no exception. What I like is when you change gears manually, it comes up with a little graphic on the infotainment screen inside the gauges to let you know that your shift was accepted and what gear you now put the car in. Accelerator and brake are really, really nice, not touchy at all. Perfect for this kind of car. It's not designed to be a sports car. The XSE trim was based off of the normal Camry, just spiced up a little bit, and it was more of an appearance package than anything. Also, what's nice is if you decide, hey, let's try to blow up the motor, you know, or you just don't think enough and accidentally double tap the paddle, it limits itself. It's not going to damage itself in any way. And when you do that, when the shift isn't accepted, you'll get a little beep. So it's not like it just doesn't do anything and you think it's not working. It lets you know, hey, don't do that, don't be stupid, kind of thing. Once the speed drops down enough, it will accept that gear change. It's just trying to protect the motor so you don't mechanically over rev it. Handling is really, really good, a lot better than I expected, especially after just stepping out of the Accord Sport. It's definitely on that level. Visibility is absolutely phenomenal. I really do not have any blind spots, none that have impacted my drive in any way. Steering is light, but not kind of artificially light, like you're playing a video game kind of thing. It definitely has a good amount of weight to it, but it's not extremely heavy. It's really, really good for what this car is. I'm not sitting here wishing for heavier steering or lighter steering. It's right in the middle. It's a perfect Goldilocks of what a good steering feel should be. Coming up to our suspension test section. No rattles, no harsh movements. You know, it's going to be sad the day that they patch that and I'll have to find a new section. But given that's been there for 2-3 years, I think it's here to stay unless it gets ripped up and it gets really, really bad. There's another mini section here, and again, not bad at all. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.